So what am I doing at 6 in the morning watering new concrete? So what a lot of people fail to do after you pour a new slab is to try to keep it wet for 7 days. The reality of it is, if you can keep your concrete wet and watered for 7 days consistently, statistics show you can increase the strength by up to 50%. I don't know about you, but when you invest this much money into a new custom home or the foundation, a little bit of water is worth it. So here we are, putting water on the concrete the day after we poured.